So take your yarn and make a magic circle. If you've never made a magic circle, I do have another video that shows you just how to do that. So we're going to make a magic circle and then we're going to double crochet into the circle 4 times. This is your circle. And then you can close the circle. So next we do a combination of 2 double crochets into a stitch. So this is round 2, so once and twice, and then 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Oop, go on. And then we repeat that again, so 2 double crochets into this stitch, which is your increase stitch, and then 1 double crochet into the next. There we go. So having completed round 2, we now have 6 stitches. On rounds 3 to 5, we're simply double crocheting into each stitch. So I'll see you back in a minute. So we are now on to round 6 and we are going to chain 2, chain 1 and chain 2, and this is where we will come back and we will be placing the antlers. So we chain 2 and then we miss 2 stitches, so just count 1, 2, and then we're going to do 4 double crochets to complete the round. Round 7, we're going to do 2 double crochets into the chain 2 space. So just pull your chain 2 space out. There we go. There we go. That's our chain 2 space. Can you see it? And we're going to do 2 double crochets into that. So 1, 2. And then next we're going to complete the round with 4 double crochets. So we are now on to rounds 8 through to 12, and again we're just going to double crochet into each stitch around, and I'll see you back here in a minute. Okay, so that's the end of all of the rounds up to round 12, and we're just going to fasten off now, and we're going to leave a tail for sewing that onto the head of Belle. So now we're going to rejoin the yarn at round 6 of the antler where we did the chain 2 space. So we're going to work 2 double crochets at the bottom, 1 double crochet in each side and 2 double crochets at the top. So if you just get your yarn, and I like to start by finding where I'm going to put the first stitch. So here we go. So I just pull my yarn through and then just secure that in place like that. And then we're going to do a double crochet into that stitch. So 1 double crochet, another 1 in that chain 2 space. So that's 2. And then we're going to do 1 at the side. I'm going to work between there, like so. And then we're going to work 2 across the top. So just find a space where your hook will go, nice and easy. So 1, and go in here, 2, and then we're going to work our final double crochet in the side. Let's find another space there. So that's 6 double crochets that we've worked around that hole. Okay, so I just now take a moment to just see the stitches. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. I just like to be very clear of where my stitches are. And so now we'll find our first stitch. And for the next 2 rounds, we're just going to double crochet into each stitch. And to finish off the antler on round 4, we simply double crochet 2 together 3 times. Let's do it. So once we're at this point, we simply snip off, leaving an end. And then you can yarn over, just pull that through. And to finish off, you'll simply now get a darning needle and pop it through the top of each of the 3 stitches that you'll have from making your 3 double crochets together, and then you'll have your little antler for your Belle Reindeer, and you'll be able to go ahead and attach this to the little reindeer. Hope that's helpful. Have a good day, and please do subscribe down below, and I look forward to seeing you again. Bye-bye.